DX land. Hello, DX land. This is 3883. 3883, Southeast New Mexico, waving a hand.
How about it, DX land? 252 North Carolina, waving loud and proud from the East Coast. Roger down and tail of Vermont now. Right next to Cedar Hills here. Good morning.
Got a couple of you kick up all at once. A couple of you kicked up all at once. One at a time, please. This is 3883. 3883, Southeast New Mexico. Waving a hand, reading them out.
Hey, you're coming loud and clear over here, Mexico, then, from the state of Vermont over here. That is the capital up here. Hi, around New Mexico. You copy Pennsylvania. Hello. Oh, yeah, Mexico. We got that stray dog over there, the dog with a bushwhacker in the garden waving alone.
I can hear Pennsylvania and I can hear Delaware coming in loud and clear. Coming in loud and clear. There's somebody else out there, but I didn't quite catch where they were coming from. This is 3883. 3883, Southeast New Mexico. I heard you say you were from Iowa. I think I heard you say you were from Iowa. This is 3883. 3883, Southeast New Mexico. Waving a hand, reading them out.
Hey, 383. Call me 0093. Philadelphia. Hello.
0093. You come out like you're sitting right next to me there. You're coming in loud and proud. This is 3883. 3883, Southeast New Mexico.
God bless and have a superpower. 0093 Philadelphia, just back in the cold. I'll see you.
Right back at you there, 0093. 0093, get from 3883. 3883. You have yourself a happy new 12.
Oh!